Good morning, dear students. Yesterday, we already completed the first chapter in geography, India, position and extent. This chapter already we completed in yesterday in two videos. So, right now we have to continue this chapter from preparing yourself worksheets. I shall give you some of the questions for 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark questions. You have to follow through there. And today itself, within 5 o'clock, you have to answer and send me those answers in a WhatsApp group. Okay. The very first question, 1 mark questions. Yes. 1 mark questions. You have to take the very first question. Mention the India's north and east imaginary lines. The first question, once again I repeat, mention the India's north and east imaginary lines. The second one, which is considered as the southernmost point of India. The second question, which is considered as the southernmost point of India. Question number 3, which is the northern tip of India? Which is the northern tip of India? Question number 4, write the geographical name of 23.5 degree. Write the geographical name of 23.5 degree north latitude line. Write the geographical name of 23.5 degree north latitude line. This is the fourth question. Question number 5. Write the geographical name of 82.5 degree longitude line. Write the geographical name of 82.5 degree longitude line. Question number 6. Expand IST. Expand IST. Next, question number 7. What is the rank India has at present in largest countries? What is the rank India has in area in present countries? Next, question number 8. Mention the total geographical area of India. Mention the total geographical area of India. Next question. Write the east to west extent of India in kilometers. Write the east to west extent of India in kilometers. The next question the same. Write the north to south extent of India in kilometers. That means how much width is there, how much length India has at present. Yesterday I explained in detail about the kilometers, particularly you have to write there. Next, 2 marks questions. The very first question in 2 marks. Write a brief note on frontiers of India. Write a brief note on frontiers of India. It's the first question. The next question. Mention the largest countries in the world. Mention the largest countries in the world before India. That means India get the 7th largest country before 6 countries are there. Which are the 6 countries you have to mention them. Yes, the next question. Write the major oceans according to their direction of India. Write the major oceans of India according to their direction. Yesterday I already explained in detail about the 3 oceans in which direction they are located. You have to mention them. Write the major oceans of India. Mention with directions. The next one. Which are considered as important boundary lines of India. Which are considered as important boundary lines of India. Then 3 marks questions. Three more questions. The very first question. Write a brief note on administrative divisions of India. Write a brief note on administrative divisions of India. You should mention minimum 6 or 5 or 6 points. Write a brief note on administrative divisions of India. The next question. Mention the neighboring countries of India. Mention the neighboring countries of India. Put the question mark according to their directions. According to their directions. Yes, the last and final one, that is 5 mark question. Only one question is there, that is Draw a neat outline map of India. Draw a neat outline map of India. Mention these or mark these. You should draw the outline map of India in a paper. In that Indian map, you should mark these places. The first one, 23.5 degree north latitude line. The second one, 82.5 degree east longitude line. Then New Delhi, then the Himalaya mountain. Just you have to understand one point from this. When you have to mention or mark in Indian map, while they are asked about mountains, you should mark like this. Put point here and draw Indian map, and finally you have to mark this like this, because of these shows mountains design. The next, in case they asked about rivers, you should point here. First you should draw the Indian map and mark like this, and flowing river like this. It is a marking technique. The next, in case they will ask about soil, you have to mention like this point or dots like this. In case they ask about heavy rainfall area, middle rainfall area, low rainfall area, means like this. Like this you have to mark it. So this is the system we have to follow while marking in India map. Okay, today itself you have to answer these questions and send to group. Thank you.